Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both tool and skin so the shaver works efficiently. Plug the charger and wait until the LED indicates full. This preserves battery life and peak motor torque. Once charged, attach the chosen head until it clicks. This prevents wobble and uneven cuts. Then, make sure to trim long hairs to about 3-5 mm and wipe the skin clean. These steps reduce clogging and friction, so you get a smooth first pass without tugging or overheating. You now focus on control and methodical strokes. Hold the Palm Perfect shaver in your palm, keeping a natural 30 degrees angle so the blades meet hair at the correct plane. Once positioned, move in short, even strokes against the direction of hair growth. This maximizes lift and minimizes missed spots. Make sure to rinse the blade under water after every 2 to 3 passes to clear clippings. Doing so maintains cutting efficiency. If you sense resistance, slow down. You finish by powering off and detaching the head for a quick clean. Brush out clippings and let parts air dry before reassembly to prevent corrosion. Once dry, apply a single drop of light blade oil monthly to reduce wear and keep blades slicing smoothly. If cutting performance drops or the motor sounds strained, make sure the battery is charged and the head is correctly seated. Realigning the head or recharging usually restores normal operation. If problems persist, check for damaged blades and replace them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.